Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to consume L-Carnitine liquid. L-Carnitine is a naturally occurring amino acid derivative that plays a crucial role in energy production by transporting fatty acids into your cell's mitochondria. Liquid L-Carnitine is a convenient form, offering rapid absorption and ease of use compared to pills or powders. It's a popular supplement among athletes and individuals focused on weight management and overall fitness. For optimal results, the typical daily dosage of L-Carnitine liquid ranges from 1,000 milligrams to 3,000 milligrams. Many find success with 1,500 to 2,000 milligrams daily. The best time to take it is usually 30 to 60 minutes before your workout to enhance performance and energy. For improved absorption, consider consuming your dose with a meal that includes carbohydrates. To ensure you get an accurate dose and consistent product, always shake the L-Carnitine liquid bottle well before each use. It's important to use a precise measuring tool, such as a syringe or dropper, for your dosage. If you find the taste strong or unpalatable, you can easily mix it with water, fruit juice, or even a protein shake to make it more enjoyable to consume. L-Carnitine liquid offers several key benefits, including enhanced fat burning by helping transport fatty acids for energy. It can also significantly improve your exercise performance and aid in faster muscle recovery after workouts. Additionally, L-Carnitine is known to support overall heart health. For those looking to simplify their healthy eating, make sure to check the description below for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.